Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create a twist out with my To All My Black Girls natural hair extensions. If you haven't watched any of my other To All My Black Girls videos, please go ahead and watch it now. I will link it up in the cards, but let's get started on this one. Okay, so to create the style is really easy. You're simply going to create twists with all your hair. So divide your hair into a few rows, then simply take your favorite styling product. So I'm just using a leave-in conditioner and a curling cream from As I Am Naturally. So then I'm going to apply that to my hair, twist my hair up. Next, I'm going to take a weft of the To All My Black Girls clip-in hair, apply the same product to that, brush the hair out to make sure it's completely detangled, and then I'm going to twist the hair up. After all the hair is twisted up, I'm going to apply the weft to my hair by clipping it in. And then I'm going to continue this way until all the clip-ins are clipped into my hair.
In the beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slammed the door, I would be the richest girl alive. No, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play. And you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your...
Once I have it all clipped in, I'm simply going to let my hair air dry for the rest of the day, and I'm going to sleep with the clip-ins in my hair. It's now the next day and I'm going to take a little bit of oil, apply it to my hands to undo the twists as I would if it was just my own hair. So I proceed to untwist the twists and I'm going to proceed to style the hair by just applying a little bit of edge control to my edges to round it all off. I make sure that I separate all the twists for a little bit more volume, style the hair as desired, and that is it. Honestly guys, if I can create this hairstyle, so can you. It is so easy. Now, if you would like to get your hands on some To All My Black Girls natural hair extensions, do make sure that you use my code, which is Eleanor10. I'll repeat that, it is Eleanor10, to save some money on your purchase of the natural hair extensions. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching this video, and I'd like to ask you to please go ahead and subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel yet. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and be sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think of this hairstyle. Be sure to check me out on Instagram. I have 2 Instagrams. The one is Eleanor Jador, the other one is Eleanor Box. I would love to chat with you guys more over there, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye!